Well, this next story might make you go haywire. How about a 1.5 pound stainless steel dock so your MagSafe charger stays put?
Okay.
No, it's a 1.5 pounds.
Sure, why not?
That's the weight of Otis.
Yeah. Well, I mean.
So let me ask you something, Will.
Yeah.
Is this what it should have been in the first place? Is this, like, who has this problem? Okay, first of all, let me explain this charging thing to you. It's very light. The MagSafe charger from Apple, it's lightweight to the point if you can use the phone with it connected, but if you place your phone on the tabletop and you go to lift it up, it's not coming off. The whole thing's coming up. You got to use two hands.
Is that a design choice?
It is.
Like you can use your phone
it is.
on the
It's
bed
definitely a design choice. And obviously as well for travel.
Right.
I mean, what are you going to travel with 1.5 pound stainless steel?
No.
You know?
Yeah.
But it is interesting that this company, you heard of this company called Nomad before?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so they make all kinds of accessories. And I can't imagine they're going over here and carving out stainless steel unless there's some market for it.
Right.
And so it's just funny to think. It's not very often that you want to take a tech product and make it heavier. I can't even think of another time what you want to make heavier. Maybe my mouse, I don't like the lightest mouse, but like heavier. I'm talking 1.5 stainless pounds.
Right.
It's very unusual. It has a good look to it. Look at the way it's machined over there. Really fits in with the whole aesthetic. Presumably, you can still remove your MagSafe charger if you want to take it on the go or go with the lightweight. I don't know how easy it is in and out.
It also doubles as a paperweight.
It doubles as a paperweight. And most importantly, when you reach down single-handed to pop your phone off, the whole thing isn't coming up. It's going to stay seated down.
Oh, so the puck goes inside.
Yeah,
it's not like a designated like thing that's made from them.
No. It's meant to interact with your pre-existing MagSafe puck.
Oh, I see.
So that you can still use. I mean, you already have that.
Right.
That's the idea here.
They just made like the outer enclosure.
The MagSafe mount securely holds the MagSafe charger in place with non-permanent micro-suction tape that allows the puck to still be removed as needed. But it's at least going to stick enough and not move around as much.
Right.
So that you can get that one-handed removal, like most wireless chargers have that don't opt to be so lightweight that they come up with the phone.
Huh.
So here's the root. Here's the core of this discussion.
Yeah.
It's very important. When you're thinking wireless charger, there's a few ways to play this, right? There's the dock, like the upright dock like that. There's the flat, typical Qi charger, which you lift up, lift off, no problem. There's Apple's solution, which is a two-handed removal, but with the cable attached, you can use the phone while charging, and it's very lightweight for travel. Which is the optimal wireless charger, Will?
That's a tough one, to be honest. It's tough.
You can only have one.
If I could only have one, I would probably go with the MagSafe. Apple's MagSafe. Because I just like to use it in bed.
While charging.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Although it sucks that it's not angled. So if I put it on my desk, it's just flat.
Okay.
That's a trade-off.
You heard it here from Willie Doo. He's going for the Apple charger, and he's going to pick up this accessory, 1.5 pounds. What are they charging for? 50 bucks. Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. The hunk of steel is more than the charger.
So it's steel?
Yeah,
I guess so, right?
Stainless steel, yeah. No, aluminum wouldn't be heavy enough.
Right.
Anyway.
It's a nice package.
Funny times.
Yeah.